Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting your data, so backup photos, contacts, and app data to Google or an SD card. Confirm the backup finished. Next, charge the phone above 50% or plug it in to avoid shutdown during the process. Remove the SIM or SD card if you prefer a clean wipe, and make sure you know the Google account credentials. This prevents lockout from factory reset protection. Once done, power off the device to enter recovery mode for the next steps. With the phone off, press and hold power plus volume up or volume down on some ZTE models until the recovery menu appears. This boots recovery rather than Android. Use the volume keys to move the highlight to wipe data/factory reset and press power to select it. This clears user data and settings. Confirm the action when prompted, then patiently wait for the process to finish. Once you see data wipe complete, select Reboot System Now to restart into a clean setup. After reboot, follow the on-screen setup. Choose language, Wi-Fi, and then sign in with the same Google account used before the reset. This clears factory reset protection. Once signed in, restore your backup and reinstall apps from the Play Store so your phone feels familiar again. If the device gets stuck in a boot loop, go back into recovery and wipe the cache partition first. If that fails, perform the factory reset again. If problems persist, contact ZTE support or your carrier for device-specific help.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.